Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time viewing one of my videos, my name is Elle Morgan. I do fashion videos and I do lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in that type of content, then make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell because you want to be notified when your girl uploads a new video. Because as you will see, I'll be your best friend in your head by the end of this video, okay? We'll be good girlfriends. Like, you want to be a part of what's going on. Like, come on. Okay, on to today's video. So for today, I wanted to give some online shopping tips because a lot of us are going to be doing a lot more online shopping, just given what is going on in our country, in the world. We're going to be doing a lot more of that because all the malls and stores are closed. So I wanted to give you guys some tips on how to shop online, because believe it or not, there are some people who still aren't really comfortable with shopping online, and also those who do just might learn something new from this video. So yeah, so if you like what you see, make sure you guys like this video and share it. So let's get on. So my first tip is to make sure that it's legit. All right, so you want to make sure before you give your coin to the site to research it, put it in Google and see if they have any bad reviews. Put it in YouTube, because 9 times out of 10 somebody has reviewed that company already, so you'll get the 411, so you will know and make sure that they are a legit company. Also, you can look at the Better Business Bureau as well. It should be on there. I think pretty much all businesses or most businesses are on there. I don't really know. I'm not that familiar with that, but you can also check that as well. My next tip is to make sure that you protect yourself when you are shopping online. If you are shopping with a company for the first time and you're just not really that comfortable putting your credit card information in, I would suggest using PayPal, because if for whatever reason you don't get your package, you can dispute that with them and they'll give you your money back, and then they'll handle that on that end. Also, along the lines of protecting yourself, make sure when you're out and about and you're shopping online, shopping on the app, that you're not using a public Wi-Fi, because that makes it easier for hackers to hack into your personal information, because hackers be hacking, okay? So you definitely want to make sure that you're protecting yourself on that end. My next tip is to make sure that you utilize the sizing chart on the websites, because a lot of the websites size differently, especially if you order from the UK, like Boohoo, Pretty Little Thing. I'm not sure if Shein is based in the UK, but they're overseas as well. But all of those brands size differently than a lot of the brands that I order from that are based out of the US. So I definitely have to pay attention to that when I am purchasing an item. Also, look at the customer reviews too, because that has definitely helped me in making a decision on whether or not I should even get the item or what size I should actually get. I know Shein side is really good about this. They usually have the customer reviews right under the product, and they'll say if it's true to size or if it fits large or fits smaller. Like, it's really helped me in making decisions on what size to get and all of that stuff, and it turned out to be pretty accurate in most of the cases. The next tip is to make sure that you pay attention to the return and exchange policies, because sometimes some items that you buy may be non-returnable, and you just want to make sure that you are well aware before you spend your coin on something, because it might not work out and you're stuck with the item, and that's it. The next tip is to make sure you find you some coupon codes before you check out on the website, because a lot of the times you can find, well, not a lot of times, but some of the times you can find a much better deal, like on a third-party site like Retail Me Not, or if you find an influencer that may have had a deal with that company or whatever, they might have a coupon code that might be better than what they're currently offering. So I would definitely look at like YouTube and look on your social media to see if there's any other coupons that's better than what they're offering you, because everybody loves to save little coins. So yeah, just take that extra 5 to 10 minutes to do that. My last tip is to make sure that you sign up for the newsletter for whatever website that you're shopping on, especially if you shop with them frequently, because that's a good way for you to get the first dibs on new arrivals and to get exclusive deals and coupons and stuff like that. So that's something that I like to do that has been helpful for me in the past. Okay guys, so that's all that I have for you today. So if you have any additional tips, then feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. And don't forget to check my social media in the description box below. Don't forget to shop my store, shop.notyouraverage-mama.com. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.